Hey guys, it's Janita, back again with another video. How's everybody been doing? Hope you all been doing great. Well, I am feeling better. I was hurt. I'm just starting to feel a little better. So if I am on and off of here, I'm still trying to feel better from a pull. So y'all bear with me, trying to watch all your videos and getting back into my routine smoothly. Well, what I'm showing you guys today is, remember that disgusting looking basil plant? Well, look at her now. I cut it down, if you remember one of my previous videos, and look at this baby. Bam, bam, bam. Look at those fresh leaves. It came back alive. I don't know what happened, but I guess that trimming, it liked it that. So to the ones that said it was dead, gone, kaput, nope, it's alive and it's thriving. As you guys can see, this is Miss Basil. Well, anyway, I am going to try and watch a few videos today. Like I said, I'm still kind of sore, and so I'm gonna do my best trying to keep up, catch up. Don't be sluggish in and out, because I don't like sitting in that chair because it's not comfortable. It makes me hurt. Sitting too long, rather, just sitting too long, you know. Trying to watch videos. You guys have become my family and my real family. Complaining I was on here too much and all that old stuff, and sitting in that chair all those hours. Whew, it's not good on my body. But anyway, this is a video to say I'm back and to let you guys see my basil plant, how good it's doing now, and that's about it. And welcome, and if you come and watch the video, welcome to my subscribers, any new subscribers, any looky-loos, visitors, passerbys. Welcome. Leave your comments, give a good rating, say hello, and that's about it. Talk to y'all later. I'm out of breath. Yeah, trying to get this video together. Bye, you guys. Thanks for watching.